Are
you okay?
Oga.
Allah.
Sorry?
He came from America.
Came from UK. I'm the owner, yes. Yes. I live in Akure. Okay. Sorry?
I'll do better to me.
I don't have anything down. I don't have anything. I would have give you.
I just want to see you are very close. That's all. With another person, or Igbo, or something. I'm just flat.
I don't get anything. That's why I will give you now. Hey, can I have my driving license here? What can I do now? What can I do? I just park. You know, tell me what can I do now, guy? No, check my driving license, check my documents. So make I do it that thing now.
Yes, sir.
You are with my driving license now? The way be of the invoice. Yeah, even if I park. No, don't worry. Okay? The way be of
what you say should not do. Are you telling him to?
It's your officer like you. That's why I said you should not worry. That will talk to you.
No, let him talk now.
All right. So the way bill.
Everybody can talk.
The way bill is not there. I have the custom paper there. Those load came with the car.
That's why I requested for the custom paper so that I can see maybe all those items was itemized and examined.
But so is it supposed to be listed one after the other? All those custom papers?
Yes.
Really?
What are? I do check custom paper now.
Okay.
So if
do your job properly. You have my driving license here. I'm recording you. To let you know, I'm recording you right now. So can I have my driving license? Check your paper and then let's go.
Everything is in that. Why
don't shout. Leave him. I'll go him on record. But I've already told you. You have my paper. My paper is correct. Everything is there. You are with my driving license. I haven't committed any offense.
I know.
The driver is a Yariba person. The police officer is a Yariba person. The police officer asked the driver to show him his driving license and other documents. The driver provided everything. The police officer now asked the driver to find him something. Find him something means make he give him money. The driver said that he has no money with him. After the driver told the police officer that he don't have any money with him, the police officer now told him that if he is an Igbo man, that he would have told him to park. That statement also means that he would have arrested him for no reason if he is an Igbo man. Just imagine the kind of statement that a police officer is making. An Igbo brother once told me that along that Ore expressway, that a police officer stopped their car. That he is not with any drug, nothing. The police officer wanted to arrest him. They told him to pay 50,000 naira before they will release him. Person will not hold anything. Other people in the car started begging the young man to give the police officer money for them to go. He gave the police officers 20,000 naira before they allowed them to go. This is what Ndigbo are facing in Yariba land. Yariba police officer go just arrest you because of say you be Igbo person. Fulani people have been killing Yariba people, slaughtering Yariba people, chasing Yariba people away from their land. Yet, the Yariba police officer did not say, if you are a Fulani person, I would have told you to back. I would have arrested you. No. Now, Igbo people were not the key Yariba people. Now, these Yariba people hate pass. Bring Fulani people, bring Igbo people, tell Yariba people, choose between these two people who you like pass. Yariba people go choose Fulani people. The police officer held the driving license of the driver. The driver started telling him to give him back his driving license, that he have searched him, he have checked his document, that he did nothing wrong. Yet, the police officer refused. He held the driving license so that the young man will give him money for him to allow the young man to go. The other police officer came and started barking like a bulldog. So many of these police officers on the highway are mad people. If you have encountered these people, you will know what I'm talking about. If you dey travel, you go see cars park. Them and police officers go stand, they talk. Police don't search them, they don't hold anything. But they will start to accuse the young men of, you people are Yahoo boys. If you don't pay us, you will not live here. So they go tell the boys, you will pay 1 million before you will live here. You will pay 500,000 before you will live here. They will start negotiating. Before the boys go come out for them, the boys go send them 200,000, 500,000, 1 million. This thing why they talk so, it dey happen for Asaba here. It dey happen all over southern Nigeria. Look at what this Yariba lady said on Twitter. She said, as a Yariba lady, we were taught not to associate with Igbos from nursery school. Don't play with Chinyere and Ngozi. Play with Dami. You grow up realizing that you don't need to hate them when you travel to other places and mingle with them. Many people don't outgrow the hatred. This post was made on the 6th of September 2023. If you go to Yariba land, so many of them hate Ndigbo, both old and young. This police officer now from Yariba, now from small pikin, he hates Ndigbo. Why? It's because their parents and their elders, they tell them, say, Igbo people are bad, though. Stay clear from Ndigbo. They are teaching them to hate Ndigbo. That is the reason why so many Yariba people today hate Ndigbo. When we tell people that Yariba people hate Ndigbo, some people will be saying, no be like that, no be all of them. We are not saying all Yariba people, but majority of Yariba people hate Ndigbo. During this Tinubu's administration, that is when so many Nigerians came to understand that Yariba people, so many of them not good. So many Nigerians came to understand that Yariba people will keep supporting evil as far as the person perpetrating that evil is a Yariba person. Under Tinubu's administration, Yariba people are suffering. Yariba people are being killed, slaughtered in their own community. More than 5 Yariba kings have been killed by Fulani terrorists. The whole country is bleeding, yet Yariba people are not protesting about it. Yariba pastors are not protesting about it. Yariba people are still campaigning for Tinubu. Yariba people are still fighting P2B, blaming P2B and Mazinam Dekano for the problem that Yariba people are facing in Yariba land. Yariba people are still campaigning for Tinubu, saying that Tinubu will become the president of Nigeria the second term. Other Nigerians, they cry, say they don't want Tinubu. Yariba people are still demanding for Tinubu to remain in power. Yariba people are doing it because Tinubu is a Yariba man. They don't care whether the Yariba people are dying. They don't care whether all over the country is bleeding. All they want is for Yariba man to be in power. They don't want an Igbo man to become the president of Nigeria. That is why so many Yariba people are saying on Twitter that it's better for Fulani to be killing and slaughtering them than for them to see an Igbo man become the president of Nigeria. You go see Yariba person, you go tell say no like P2B. What did P2B do you? Nothing. No be say P2B do anything or Ndigbo do anything. Now because they have been indoctrinated from childhood to hate Ndigbo. That is what this police officer is suffering from. Igbo people they kill you now know. Why you hate Ndigbo so much? An ethnic nationality that are telling their children from nursery class, telling them to hate Ndigbo. This is for the world to see what Ndigbo are passing through in Nigeria. You will see Yariba people and some other Nigerians saying that South Africans are chasing other Africans away from their country. It's very bad. We are all Africans. But Ndigbo are facing xenophobia in Nigeria. The attacks that Ndigbo have been facing in Lagos State, whereby Igbo mansions will be brought down, Igbo businesses will be set on fire. Yariba people in Lagos State, they have been fighting Ndigbo, forcing Ndigbo to leave Lagos State, protesting, doing everything possible. The same thing what South Africans they do for South Africa. Now waiting Yariba people they do to we Ndigbo for Nigeria. You dey complain say South Africa they pursue other Africans from their country. Yet that is the same thing you Yariba people are doing to we Ndigbo in Nigeria. I heard that those useless police officers have been arrested. Your own Yariba brother, because of say he not agree give you money, you know what make him go. In some cases, they will even arrest the driver and take him to station. All because he did not give them money. Tomorrow someone will be saying Nigeria is one, we are one Nigeria. You are one Nigeria, but the unity that you people have in Nigeria is the collective hate that you people have for Ndigbo. If you are an Igbo person, I would have arrested you. If you are an Igbo person, I would have told you to back. If an Igbo person, even if you show you all him document, you go see tell him to back. You go see tell him to pay you. The only thing that Nigeria police officers are doing in the highway is to be stopping drivers, collecting money. If they see you young man, say you dress fine, you wear good jeans, you wear better shirt, they go start to accuse you say you be Yahoo boy. They go accuse the young man, put fear for him body, for the young man to do transfer, give them. You go to intimidate person because of say Nigeria government give you gun, give you uniform, you stand for road, they disgrace yourself. Banditry, Nigeria police not fit fight. All they know how to do is stand on the highway looking for drivers that they will harass. So many Nigerians have been killed by police officers because of 100 naira. Driver not agree give you money, you shoot and gun, you kill him. The hate that Yariba people have for Ndigbo in this country is too much. It is too much. We Igbos are not taught by our parents to hate Yariba people. Now as we they grow up, so we can't they see say Yariba people they're not good. Some people they talk say why they talk say Yariba people talk some Yariba people not good. The way Yariba people support evil is so alarming. People wait to say better say Fulani they kill them than to see Igbo man become president of Nigeria. He not tell you something. If they lie, may they dismiss the officers. So Nigeria government and those police officers are the same thing. The reason why they arrested all those police officers is simply because of how Ndigbo and some other well-meaning Nigerians started sharing the video. Government only arrested those people, make you know be like say them see this kind of evil, they no act. That is the reason why they arrested those men. The unity of Nigeria is the collective hate that other ethnic nationalities have for Ndigbo. I beg you, make all these people get out. Ishia Gwale.